ma wagmo ma ya ato wagmo mo ugo ewoze no ya mela dian wo wie na we emota pe ni ado iha muwa ya gmo so ebe mota egbe niro abori ama ngome ebe mota ni abedo ta muwa abo boma yezo ne boma riko ibe memi ni abedo ta muwa abe ni be mogi mano mano be mogo meno mano be moge e managmo wi wa ino ma ibe memi ni ata muwa ike sunwe ibie otume ni Blessed That Entertainment ikmomu wa ya fe wa wese wa ya wa ma bagbon nu wari boy ya fe e ya dino deno manu wa hiae ateka beti mayemi otoe. Good morning, Frank Victor. I greet you, is a presido. Imaye imiotoe waya wawese. Okawa a video ni mie nina te accuse John Osagie but ina ivedo ive fie wirie nya bene bona iha mamegwe John Osagie John Osagie owe evenini what's in the phone na ibe na ibe muna so where John Osagie we ni immediately ni ina be himia ina gune John Osagie nege gui so akedo mi egwe ne video ina yido aga ikian they share and they go follow everywhere aga lele ran ikian just to bring me down. My dear, for you that try to bring Ugo down, oh man, not let the native daughter wey they give you mad deceive you. The more you spoil my name, so the more you are spoiling my names, the more I am improving. The more you are trying to bring me down, the more God is lifting me up. It just be like one certain time when me and this man was having misunderstanding. The man was trying to bring me down, but God was lifting me up. I see glory. So it's just to be like this one when and you do so. Carry my name, carry my picture, my daughter picture, everybody picture. Enter my platform, carry them, put them for Facebook. Say me who go about me here or whatever. I don't know what the fucking person was speaking. My dear, since that day before yesterday when I see that when they post that, it can't reach now. I see glory. Many. I receive glory. People will be say, I never ever expect maybe they go support me do anything at all. I surprised when they call me, they tell me, say, see what they want to support me, see what they want to support my industry. I use and receive glory. People wey I no even first know before, wey be say yes, now there be people wey dem want make dem know. I can't know them. I receive glory. So I come to tell you guys, anywhere, the more you are darling me, the more you are darling me, the more you are bullying me, the more I am lifting forward. Because you know they there when I suffer. You know they there when I learn work. I know how many people, since when I come this Europe, I know how many people I don't teach. I know how many people when I don't teach. But you will post that video, who you don't teach, who you don't help. I want one of your manis and Lillegis and raw. One madman called me yesterday. Even if the madman self, if they try me call me this morning. When the madman called me, and Frank Victor, I see your picture, I see him. I see your picture there. When the madman called me yesterday, say, Orion Babo here. Now I tell him, say, Orion Nikao, or yes, say. You understand? Now I say, Orion Nikao, or yes, say. He say whether I not see Facebook, I not look Facebook. Now I say I look Facebook. So now the plan when I go plan be that. Now the thing when I go do be that. Day. Now I say now the thing when I go do be that. Na gbugbe ra ya o. Na gbugbe ro mani ya o. Ina we no mani hia un. Better. Onina bolofu aba. Iwe video kpana wamana si koma wageti your mama dan. Ebe no ya display the social media. Wamana si koma wageti your mani your madan. Kpakpa mani gwan the social media. Da. Like what once somebody said. When somebody said, where Ugo not I love a social media. Yes. It I love a social media many meta. Many meta or teach a lesson. We're going to give me we saga. Ga mwe bogboma. We me we saga rimwe bogboma rimwe bogbe nokpa rimwe bogbe nokpa. La wari ewo me be Facebook. Waga mi egbe mi veri yo. Wa send the egun me. The only program in you magbera. Avik bia ni tiebo ni huewi ma ve webo. Avik bia ni yo huewi ma uewa ve webo. Avik bia ni ri huewi ma ve webo. Avik bia no ladian ga gebe no hima uhi huewi ma ye. Igbi ega agbi na yi. Oni ve se na me wo hian ba me give hian. Tiebo no hu. No meje no gwe na get tiebo no hu. Emi dan ve ni hian. Iwe film fine. Some people just feel well maybe as I am doing that something it is easy and so why we feel well okay. Hello? Hello? Irela video. Irela video. Hello? So, and emi okpa we ro we imobo imebi ni ya tae me oni megwo ma wegian ibe gwa legian le gbe ani ibe wegian ani ibe gwa ma wegian ibe deba ma wegian ma ao e magbon ya ihin ugo we film o film nu go na nokpa different falling names akpa we members orime tin ya ma hen ve ni ye ya ma wo ma ni hin ya ma si kevin ya avele kwa egbewe ne epa ni te kayari ame ni wa vege ni nana do miegwe eseti me abe sivie tume yana vele kwa vege ni but hello baba Adamo la ire la video ya call we bia true ne wa understand me agbona ni majena if somebody did not plan evil against you against somebody who don't plan evil against you, that evil must surely return back to you and he will turn to blessing to that person. Memo mani megu wegian because e favor me. Me ma we believe we agwegbe wegian we favor ma. E favor me. Egani na we wina nuwa agbi mewa bana. Vi mewe wina iboli kwo ya iri oja ve na ri oja. Iboli kwo ya uhun mena to mare raison we mana ni ya la speaker le leriti o vi we kware na gbe adro mo foma iye gbe mezo goma ja na dro mo foma a dro mo foma dro sawahu sorry a dro mo foma andro sawahu na paso akono ate fi medo is an Hollywood cinematographer iye gbe mezo goma diane. I want to learn, to teach me. Ikugwe sensevio yo bwegarie no ba 4 ke wan road Ogesko ogbodu. Ogesko ogwe. Ikihimi yo bwe garie riaza. Yeah. Iboli kwo yae. Egeni mena webe na ya record film ye ohwo o ma me be na record film ye ohwo girlfriend me be ihe pint lele ohwo no ma me be na record film ye igorere o muwo ave mi ave gwe Ugo take this 200 naira make you take chop afternoon food. Take this 100 naira, take go chop afternoon food. Ero, iga ye izem ko ware. I ade bise 10 naira. Do ya riga yi. Ovio kan kere me kamu we no ma no me be na record film ye. Idion e krase basi ugbi yoko ge ni record. E bani na hon na we only we na record film ye ka record bury ave marriage we birthday ne. Ona woke nye ga mame. Oma no emeso waka ka bo any atalo the social media ni where iya igwa call him and he will live video. Igwa who go so wa. Honestly naka me you don't know me. No. Oma no ka bon emeso wa story ni tana. Oga emata noro oga oge noro. Oga bitamu wa de do oge metana. Iya de bi se tenera. Irie wa waiting 3 o'clock. O igare 3 o'clock iya de bi se tenera. Wogi you your my wo banu sa Joshon. Ido ya ari guy. Iga no can agi sustain me. Vota viazo bo mumeso wa. Magari location veriana. Egbeme ya nwuan. Obi o kan kire mekamu we no bu kan kire. Young girl. Hello? Obi o kan kere. Owo kan kere obi amimi. Oi si ukmo la jan kokukmo la dian. Oi kun ya meni ga ho. Unye yi ya segbe pants. I hoi. Just to learn that work. Just to learn work. Ori gbe me obi o kan kere. Ori gbe me dege social media na no ya mu me social media ori gbe mo na vie ma o da so. But osalobo ana gelewe ona ye man ina with freedom. Till today oye ya mezere kian gi ma ewe. Be bugwe sofa ni ya fefe ni ni wan. Ba bugwe sofa ni ya fefe. Ba gina domie ni awe e ba meri we ni medo ya ri la ni a o e ba meri be ma bi agbon ni a e ba bo ri gbovo me yo e ba bo ri gbe me yo e ba ri gbe better ge me na awe ve ge ni we ma gbi me yo. Because wa ge me ve ge ni we a ma no na akin ma do na akin o ma. Ruda awe wina ye be na miegwe. Aga awe wina oye be na meta kin agi wa guda. We understand. Ime volunteer ina woman no yin awe wina. No lad no boomeri imi oyigo ya agma eberio. We ni meri u ni riedo ni me mari una. Ruda ogwagwa gwalikin wana mo ma ni ria. Eni me no dia no wonu doria wa yo mobo. Venu wa ye tria nu wa wese. Wa fe kokun a. Huh? Bueno moma niria. Oh no moma niria. Ụmụ ebe ka we agbona ofi weri oye be na ge bolu. We ga be hian ba edokpa. We no moma niria oniria. Oh no moma ria. We are hian dekun wuwe. Odo hian ifagbo ami fagbo. Odo hian mi ehu enu we. Ikpate yuwe o. Imaela dia be social media deni do tie bon Edo State. Imaela dia be social media deni ga o. Egeni mi aka na we gbo iya we saga ni ile lo ma we saga we no taye. O egeni ma be de dimofina hon. Ofo ogigbera verio. And we come any ma take 4 days abi 3 days. Because me ma gun yazu o egeni. Ogigbera verio me ma gi mi recover ni na we saga. Imege. We are me face to face. Me etigwa. Iwa ogiogegi ogo den igbe. Imege na agwo ma gwa. Imege igwa gwo ma wezo. Ebi agbona adu ekini ado. Ozwo pagi wa call him no de. Ozwo no. And a voice oge ode mature. What's the name so? Emaso ni mature. Ni bieka veri ana bi bieka gie veri ana na me mas. Imemi egbona de. Ugu mature, ugu you are matured man. You can hear him en wesewe. I never see that kind of thing before. Owa call him from nowhere. Ona had the number. As a man I am, I can never hide my number to call you. No. A direct number me I call you. Guy Alpha. Or my brother Alpha. Igboria you are already. Eodo had the number. I call a fellow man like you. Mini warrior ni you wa. Oswono. Who do call a fellow man like you? You as a man who had the number I call a fellow man. Who had the number I call eh? You had nobody call your fellow man. You dey fear. Ya kin agbu ebuwe ajo wa do gbu e. Well fuck me up. Ya kin agbu I come meet you for your own house. I can't beat you there. It's better than I can't go hide. I'll go hide, they wait for you, or I'll go hide. The fans I want to do you something. No. Mele woman I mean. Ereti no yi mele woman we wi okbia. Oh, ya kin awu mi, ibuwe ade. Igbuwe. That is me for you. Ado ale woman mi ni me magwa le boy. So the man wa call him walking about here, na we again nika we again nu you. Oh yes, awe di mage Facebook we ma bege picture me Facebook. Na we wa mi o. Na we kinu wa ya doni him. Na gbugbe ra bi yo hun. And the man voice was very matured. That is, no one agwama be fun ahen na. That can no one ever ni. Imagine no one ever yo. Geme no tabu nu. Geme no ya gwama na gmogun ai. If ni wedo ti mo kin ba na niyan me ma hon e. If na gun we pichi me ye ba niyan me ma he. Awe here disturb Edo State. Disturb what? What are they disturbing? eri ya disturb Edo State, eri ogion bana hin, eri okpa, eri ya drop page nokpa, eri ya drop page ma wa drop. E page wa drop. Menu go we drop. Enye no hit me ne no we okpe ni mekpa. Emni ni nu wa uni wa de gbe yari glory me. Wala wa continue. Edo yimi wa we nu wa continue. Please, I discover one thing from me. He discover me okpa we gbe me. Wa mana mu me ni ria. Imo bo get even ya gwa lo. Wa mu me ni ria. Yeah, spring up. I don't really know why and wish that's something. Ite aguyo bet now igi guyo. Wala ime ido imi wa do wa nu wa wese me wa gume aria ni me wa. Na gmome na ma me wala o. Wa aria ni me wa gume aria wa. So ni me na to. Because wa aria wa ego na la mo bo. Wa aria wa me na progress. Na temu. Only one person where they control about 30-something people. It's not easy. Wama begging have a location venedia binedene. Veni ya bunseni, veni ya wa bunseni, ya member si me ya fe wa, ya very yok pa. All of them, they are all registered. In register. Or easy. Nou wa ya ton ame, nou wa deba me, nou wa lift industry me go do we okpa wo vie do okian ve la diana okian no ve spring up wa bring him down. Wa continue. Na mi bi ugo. Except where ga do imi awe ba eri. Except where do was agreement me. Except when we were man and winner. Do what man and winner. Oh, Manu. Una agani ya so far. Una agani ya rie bobozi. Iye bobozi we ba ogwe we wa ota. Okay ana manu. O ma ege beri o. De gbe gbanu we ba san gbanu we ba van. Manu we ba san manu we ba van. Igu gwe ni no call him any. We understand. I use God beg una. Una wey dey spoil person name, una stop am. Wa ri e wo me, wa mi video si ya ni ewu de. Ihu ni, avi hu ni, igbinana. How can somebody come out on social media do I describe ekpo? They mega la the social media we when no describe ekpo why ya ka wa go describe ekpo wa go describe ekpo in ogion back in area na akin ogion ba ni here isaga be ni here. E Frank in water Frank Victor no water Frank Victor. E Frank Victor only saga is only bringing out the truth from the people who lied against people. Iya iga we saga nine. Oge ga iga rugwe from Victor I discover oge nine. Oi fanya ladian, oi taladian. E saga manihi, oni e saga. We understand it, man. E ma buno yime we saga. Iya ladian ga ti ebo. Iya ga mo ebo gbo kian me be social media without yan ma he me de. I ladian yan, you ya wa check every and if be kind he all those one are children, me I leave these ones, me that they talk their own. Oh wa no wa betalo. You so ruda yeti megi ruda ni me na gbina ni hu ni wo ho no wa wi hu enia. Gwana igwa amu. Gwana ya mu epishi me. Voilà de moula diange ma make noise ve Facebook. Ige ruwa vijuwa o dog no re Facebook. Hein? Wa onu hwenu ni hwunu wa frustrate ve bona. Wa onu hwunu wa yo home kan. Ina winya ge yomodo. Rude o ho dan oru wa ho. O ho dan oru wa riyan. O si eni hu ewu wa na ri oni aya obegu wa. Oye we gbo ho dan na no wa we una. Do mwe pishu go. Ana do mola di. Do ati this and that, this and this. Mo go. Bishop bo amuladian. Bishop bo ate muladian my dear. Wa agwale mi onbe muladian. Una la wo me ya vie picture me. Do amuno ladian. O ate muladian o. Inwini me no muwa ni. Inwini me o kan muwa we bo no muwa ne bi o ize muwa wa do ari la bo to to ogunwa. Wadu ariera wototo wiwa egani wa ekeriera wototo wiware ugokin okpo mane since wa wuwa gwale mi no ma edeni ma be mie ma ni duwe odeni maga mu ma no duwe odeni ga mie ma ni duwe edo agbise yuwa hun aleva be seva venu wa duwe na ma ri egenu wa ya duwe oviwa popo kin ga wulo yuwa o venu wa ya kuma duwe ni ano miege ya wulo yuwa o uga mera tera miege ya wuwa o emia mene gi agbe na ma no be na ki no ke lawe gbo kin agbuwe Rudev nu yo bossi ni no Ruda hun down. You just think that when you are warning our gele wa believe you we go really did this thing go down so that we boy o bagage sikeme o bagile sekeniye. People wey know me too well, wey close to people wey not close to me now they spoil my name. They don't know me or they know you know me at all now they spoil my name they go. Who know me no dey fit talk. So you will not know me. Where they spoil my name they go. Now no know you, now go kill you. And that my matter, now go kill you now. Since now say na my matter for social media, be for whatever. Now my matter, now na come Europe can't do, or now come life can't do. Una come monitor me. Now that my matter, now go kill you now. Wow. A matter many. Okay, agbeluwa. Wakes wo yo zo be matter me. Ko bono we ne nemi nu wa okay ya fe ogun kin agbele ya. E matagi meni o kin agbeluwa. Wa mi ede ya se de yi lai. Uwa ya kin akin ra no si ka ko bisi. Rudaira ya no si no lega ko bisi ro pa mi pe. E uwa ya fefe kin akin. When waya kuma we ni. Why man no bring those states down by bullying innocent people? Go. By bullying innocent people. Wow, we come mama wage. Come mama wa bully, in bully those states. Huh? Obi o kan kere no wa we one day no wa we gwa legwe no ya ozo. Wa do we suffer we ni ga suffer every location. No wa we ko we dey. Viere no ko wa we do vi o kan kere ko dey wa gwa le kinu wa na ba na mi wa di we do wa gwa le mi wa gwa le no ma da o give wa wa gwa le kinu wa na gbeture. Ah? Wa mu eni ria wa ria eni wa When meje mi ami wano here progress iri yobo bai u yobo bai no progress no temu ruda o temu oga ye mere wa hwe ya gogo evani mega oni mege ge support e ni gege u yobo ne no me na carrying of Fred Momo aside you. We understand. Yeah, only support any make sure you will your born in there. No money may not spring. But wanu who dance over wa mi wanu here spring up. Wa gbalikin wana beruda wana mighty you. You want to spoil my name. You want to spoil my reputation. You are this all those whatever. For me, who go dogo akataka, I am controlling more than 30 people. Wait, not be safe for Facebook where they follow me. That's as in for real grand where they follow me. All those who are not rich, they not reach me. Elamo gunia to ome maseme. So, when we are spoiling him megwalo, even when you be spoiling him nasef, now you be spoiling him na tia ye be boom ye be ri. Ah ye boom era ye gwalo mere. Na mi bi ugo. Akataka okalamo na mi tebo ye bu mere why because ero mo ihi I am clean obona onwa isagin ro I hear you, Fred Momo. From Momo, you not see matter where they go run. Well, understand. So, a public figure me wahin. No, why you me wa we no you me titi me gualo. We'll continue posting. Do why you need more pictures. I will still send more pictures there. If you upload the picture for no there. Please, wamu no yo. Wahon. Wamu no yo. I boli ko ya even na boli ko ya e. Ije me wu ame. Ni na gbon na ma egbe. O yi mehin okpo ma orido yi mehin o ma. A story of it wa ni hin tali. Ege ni na pe mo lokun le ran viri hian. Wa ma bego ni. O bo mena. Wa bego e makina. Wa bego makina yiro. Wa bego e molokun onyagan wa go bomena wa bege bomen wa bego bomena molokun onyagan ipe molokun ipe me culture le ranviri iri oja isofa Wama bego ni. E Facebook ma la dia gani. Awori ya mangome. Wa continue. Wa make me discover me with me where the more you spoil my name, the more I progress. Wa we say, I love you all. For the bottom of my heart, I love all of you. Meriati do rudu wakba na me ari ogobo. Woge ne gbe me na river. We o mano wa wona mi o, wa mo yelalare o, wa mo bore o, wa mo no pare o, wa gati e boyo we o. Edu azigo yo. Awa. Walking azigo ye mi me. Una we hold my matter for chest, na chest pain I go kill una. And as una take hold my matter for chest, na that una chest, na my matter go still die put. Now I go spend money put. Either you go get heart attack, you go to spend money for hospital. People come to donate money for you. Or you go to carry my name, go to give one native doctor, we go to shop your money, go to shake the something, they tell you, say, Ugo agu wahwe, Ugo agu wihwe, Uwe yok beranorik bekbe, Iwu. Iwu. Ruda, me omo na ono woman. Iwu, my dear. So please, new talent in that one discover now. Why we riaewa? Mona not see spoil and I beg I can't beg una. Why we riaewa? I just discover now one thing. Say if you dey bully me, I go dey spring up. If you dey spoil my name, I go dey progress. I bet Mona continue. Why riaewa? If you do me ania, why riaewa? If need that one discover anything. Iria bioma, Igbo bioma, Ikpokpo bioma. E mo abi mo ya fefefe ni vi okin obokpa e ya mo ya. Antevo ye fun de, uwe 30 something members ni leleme. E vave na degbe yebe do deba. We mana twi me we ya zo kan no keme. Uwe ni gege ya finish story na we members ni hian o ahwefo. O mana tro me ma di o hian aji. Uga tie mo hu ihi. Uga wi ohu gume hian ho me. Gege okpani ano evedo, you know Ugo. Or we yes, or we don't know Ugo. Ugo na shetro, Ugo na person, Ugo na this one. Ugo na shetro. But na person we near me where. When me and I don't got a shop, come tell and say, come. I wish I should talk about Ugo. That time I believe you. You see and I say, things go for. Talk about person again. Person where you dey talk, so you know him, you know Ugo, you don't see Ugo face to face. He say no. When I don't eat for the same plate, he say no. But me and Ugo, we don't chop for the same place. Now Ugo place now for the come. So me and Ugo we see today. Mona not the talk wetin person not do, follow person. Mona not hate person for no reason. And I get one spirit. If you hate me, I don't fucking care you hate me. Let your haters die in you. And as you hate me, don't come to my part. Yes. That is me for you. If you hate me for your room there. Hate me for your house there. Or hate me for where you did there. Don't hate me. Then you come to me. Not hate me, come cross my path. That you're hating, I go tear on into too with your hating. But it is stupidity, the arrogantic way you hate person. The person they progress, they go. The person don't know say you hate him. The person don't know say you whether you they exist self. Understand? When you hate someone, the someone where you hate don't know whether you they exist, whether person like you did this world, did this life. Now ignorant to you. Now stupidity bring paper come for you. You know you're a stupid man or you're a stupid woman. So for that simple reason, don't hate anybody. Don't hate who you don't know. Yes. I know if you hate person, I don't know. And me, I know if you hate person, I know him, I don't know him, I know if you hate him. Because I know let the matter they disturb me. I move. I don't let a matter disturb me to the extent of I don't see something to do again because if I hate something. No, I hate somebody. No. You don't concern me, concern you. I don't know you before. Somebody go just come, I just hate this boy. And you don't know the boy before. And you don't know whether that boy now go help you tomorrow. How can you hate somebody you don't know? So it make you dey stupid. So waniri ni mele logo boya ken wa we se wa continue. Mewu uwe yo gbera no ri pepe. Lai. Kacha mo wa. O wa pope gbo wa kwa kan. Igba kun ehin. Ede ni awu ihan. O wa pope gbo wa kwa kan. Iwu. Wa han. You people are only disturbing yourself. I wa we name we gawari you go by, gawari you go by. Wagiri e by den dia. Iye vun. Wa wo ri no. Ya we ni e fun me no pa wo. Ni tie, no wage man ya vun. Iye vun. E wo ye pe ga me. Eyan ni no pe gi me ni. E ko vun me ne. No we no hate me ado twi me ni. Me mari honi. We no hate me. O tu no we ado twi me ra. Me no we ado gugwan. Me mari honi. Ma me ni me wa vi okan ni wa leli me hiani. O tu ni ya twi me ni. E ko vun me ne. So we Lord. You that bully me, you are still a servant to somebody. You are still a servant to people. Uwe ye gbe sa menu we bull meri gbe sa, ari gbe sa leli me. Oma easy. You are bullying me. Menu we bull agbe sa leli me na. Agbe sa leli me ni ya. Iya ga reveri na. President Lamogun wa be ni ati me. President Lamogun. Ole da one am okay. Iwe hweni. No pa were President Lamogun wa talk be. Na kana ifigwo yo to. President Lamogun of ifigwo yo to. So we no hate me ni Lamogun we ado twi me ni go o ma de it arrest me at all. Nu we ya twi me nu we ya si mo ba ogo yeke. So okay we understand. Men we do ria anyone with social media. I be Lord. Osalobo ihin. No one obo me wahin. O ma understand me. Epadomo Lamogun, epadomo Lagesan, epadomo Lavieze. Dadu ohu ya fefe ihon. Eko vun mene. Ama we no me on Facebook, who hate him on Facebook. I don't fucking know you. So hate you hate him anyway you are disturbing buwe my dear. Because I don't know you. Iman warokpa. The only thing we think we say we avi ko ni ro word on the reproduction ma ogun yan aka mi yan we ugo not pa. Ugo we not pa. Ugo we live video. Ugo talogbe. Ugo this and this. Yan mo pishu go ladian Adewaya never ro word on the raw. But those children, no matter what they call, they are still with me. They still stood by me. My dear, if you not near person, not judge person, very clean. Even when you were my, if you put my matter for your chest, you put my matter for your heart, for your mind, say you wanted to do me something, or no reason. Why you salobo akwekuna? Uwe gbovi salobo akwekuna. Akeke don't understand. We agbovi sa akweku. Huh? Don't bull somebody you don't know. Don't hate somebody you don't know. Love. Ori masevagmona na yena. With love, you can gain everything you are looking for. You cannot say you are looking for something, then you are hating somebody, or you are disliking somebody, or you have an evil heart against somebody. Emi nu gwaloni umi osi ene mani bumana yemi document ile webona. We gwale document here so lo gwale document nu we me evil mind, evil heart nu ya wo view you are me. Uye me 50-50 euro no am ye shoroti uye we ripa. 50-50 euro no me shoroti or 20 euro no me shoroti uye pa uye gyobono bogu egbi huawa. Uri egi obono gwe no bogu emu meme yihu agbe. Uri egi obono bogu we no gu emu ogi huaria. We are we no we gba no. Egba. O no mo a o no ria mamo no ria yihu a momo. Oge ari agbe. Because we kin ti amomo nu we aneru ria me no obi o ma be. Agwa. We get and never progress in you well. No, we are never down for no your way. God will never answer your prayer. And God will never answer you. Lalai. Obiamo we na boya son. Ura yo bodo loviere yi. Osalo boa we gie. Ageli we re we do dolo we yi. I no see husband marry o. I no see husband marry o. But you go the bully person wey dey husband house. How you say make God take do your own for you? So if you want to make progress, you drop evil. If you want to make things good for you, keep evil. You dey go church o, you know they go church o. But say, blessed are those who are pure in heart, for they shall inherit heaven. If you are pure in heart, nothing, you will lack nothing. When warrior me ni wa se, ever ye veli live. Mo go. Awu no gari gi e bokpa dayi. Wa dole ko we ye ko we na nwa. Emi okpa logo agmona. E ma ga plan we ya plan evil against you we. Or yen wa hate you for nothing. Yen ga dey, then we be falling. Let your good heart lead you to righteousness. We understand. Agmona ni majena. Wagima ya uno magi gbima. Wagima ya uno magi gbi. Wagima uwe me gbima. Magati uwe me gbima. Emi ro pa lo gbima. Agba logo bonari ni o magari. Agba le kinana mo magboto. O bi anogba ti wa call me no dey. One matured man. One mad fool like that. Oswo. Ono wa re phone wa call me. Owo gin ba wo yi e na wo gin ni ka wo yese. Owe di ma bege Facebook. Anomani o ma heme e Facebook kona mi eme live video. O ma we ni je. O ma mi ni hia etin wu ni e ba howe. And that same woman ni ya. E okpia, do kpia no ege ade no ba call me. Akan hia go bi o kan kere gona ade no ba. Ruda umo ha. So from there I be your God. Omanagi moha no salobo mano. If I want to talk to my fellow man, I will never hide my number. I will call you with my number. So my people, mo salobo ago kbiani. So do kbiani do watch me, ma'am. Mania, I am your God. You understand? And I may be Lord. Where the Lord, where Lord another Lord, you can't Lord your pa, Lord your man before the call your turn. And you never still be Lord, you are still a slave. Because you dey fear me. Fear not let you bring your number, take call me. You had number, call me. You bring your number now, you use your number, call me. Then me will be the Lord. If I want to call you, I'll use my number, call you direct. You understand it, man? At least, why with me, say. Weke wunu wedo gbi mewa, we have a me man maybe we say na. No, we no. We not be double we tik gbi mewa se fu we gbe ku ye wo uri avo. Ogun ba ogun ye wo kiruda. Imame mi ni uwa e. Uwa gbe me kweku. Iwe comedy, I make uwa ya fe gie. Uwa ye gbe mewa, uwa ya onu wa ye gbe mewa ba. Eri agele we wogu kekebe nu keke yagbon gi eseta ye yana e yagbon na yana ye gbe ma ewa. Bose nu wa ni vie dona gwa le mi no ma. Emi no ma bose nu wa ni vie dona gwa lo. I ma gbo ma wa. I ma we blood money. I ma ya we blood money. A stronger bomena. E ya we kerere mena ya creative to get something. Just daily bread, daily food. Wa ye gbe me yo. Oni na so wa gbo vu me ba. Ana we bonu wa ye me ye. Wa wina wa make e. Wa tian gbo wa make e. No ma be make e, wa be give make e. Eso wiri go ku. Oni akawa ya mu me niri akia. Wiri go ku. Ina be la jam live video ina vigwe otene la wo no egiri yen go ne iri o igo ne o kwe demi mene yeye e wiri o we go demi mene yeye wikazo wo se una demi me yeye la wo la jam live video no do ta imami no la dia tinto de ye ta o go ku iri o we go ne please come out on live video say it or call any live video presenter at my way who go don chop my money. If you can do it, you know you may gift you know. You go and work out women when need you know. Yes. I'm going to win 1,000 euro away. You didn't know. If you know, say I chop your money. Let us love each other. Let's love ourselves. Bullying ourselves on social media, bullying ourselves, does it? A man make me rock back. A man make me rock back. I do amune pictures ilaja do ati on ogun ba. When that word ogun ba, why am not me? Me no man me ni u a pitch when I'm a pitch melody ogun ba ogun. O ware ye betini ya fefefe o ware tani oni mawo ni ehie ni move. I move. Okin ye. We move. Next month man, either we film okpa for now. On the 15th of next month, he have soon away. La wa na me. Ave pictures in Wamula Diani. Why ye lava pictures of a raw? Why ye vian ladian? Why ye viola dian? Why ye viola dian? No, why ye yawe? So that every month, ya away film, ya film. Every month, ya me chance, ya me ya film. Ni me na progress every month. Because every month, na me wa film mania. So every month, wa ya gegie wari ameni wani meme na spring up never heme So that have any hate him any raw, yeah, keep a subscribe, yeah, be yeah, me now subscribe him. This boy, I hate this boy, but I'll subscribe for him. They see what they do. And maybe I'm only wa. Wala o. Wa bofia kun le lu wa one by one. Ihwe mu wa. Wa mi obi o kan here. No spring up ba. Wa ma we nu wa na be na ri boy yo ye ke o. Wa gwa le kinu wa na wari ayo wa. Ege ni na we nwi na iri oja. Do ma we win o lukudeti we bo na re mo wa to tai palo we wa no agwa le ni o ma no amuri ya. Ikpe so waro okwo mu yan kian yan ko okwo pa yan la okwo yan ko okwo pa yan la okwo yan ko okwo pa la okwo yan be ya collect yan la dian wo wa yan ya vun we bo mo wa ma gbe ni gun ana we sun ni an e ma ni ruwo wa pin ni nemi ibuli oma no ri win na miege ya go ma be social media no ana do mi no aga ge be social media u do mo picture ge do ladian onama do we ma we kin lo fake account so am I dey interested me at all? Who wa de gbe laji me. Wa we si no wa ma wo say but if you do wa mi ma no hin atemu wa ri boyo yeke no me na atemu wa hon hate. Don't hate anybody. If you want to make something in life, you want to make something. If you want to progress in life, you need progress. Don't hate person. Even your enemy, don't hate him or her. Let someone hate you so that you will progress. Let your enemy hate you. Then you will progress. Agwari ni mele logo bo ke mani ni le logo bo na me ma enya. Veni ya di nini mi le logo bo se. Ama woki. Eso wasef. Eso wogi le lo bogmi na ba me. Eso.
Let's go to cooking.
So, why think be me? If you can love yourselves, if you can love someone, if you love someone, if you love people, your progress will be large. Your destiny, your future will be large. But if you hate, all woman, etemu, azen okpokpo ma wa mi abo yan ye mita. When akpokpo, we are ladian e Roma River. Why? Because umakpokpa zen ni weregbe. Why? You not get any evil art against that person, that witch. But no yan we no gbo mari hu ma. As in no pokpo ma ma so ma. Me ma mi gbo ede. Wa mi awe ma so na aka. Eri yen gbo na. Eri yen gbo na. Eri yen monaria. Eri yen monaria. Omani yen gbe. Emani yen muri okpo ma yan kin yen no ka. Wa age oye tuleke ami kmo be gbe. So as in no gbo ma. E ma so ma. Egi no pokpo ma. Yan ma sebo ma. Because I went in ama se do neru no ma. Oma we ma make na o dafen na popo viogwe o. Oviogwe o popo dafen. But oviogwe ni ona ma ko yayi. We megbe. Osalobo do wo gene odo kin o dafen. These are the reasons why me Ugo I can never disturb anybody. I can never kill anybody's child. I cannot imagine a yata. Iyetik bokboviok biak bokbovioku. Iyetik bokbosemeni hiusine. Why? Osalobo no working ya niya. Or we do working many me. Or can I work me SS? Iyeti the picture marok bari ogobo. Oni ni me ari picture ge ari ogobo ni me. Me don Osalobo agere va when odo timemu. Una hear what I talk. Person, me, I know if you take person picture go Babalawo house. Because I don't know whether that person, now God wants sent, come to help me tomorrow. When me say will still be big man. Then if I can't kill her uncle, I still remember poverty. If I can't carry a name go Babalawo, I can't go kill her. You see, say poverty still continue. Now make many people know they progress. So when we go very why they progress. Wahon. Why progress? Was it bad? I well yan woman of your man is an elele is an raw. Mona continue to do bad. Va boy fiekun le lu wa wagbon. Wow, as in why no gbelu wa we who was in oro eko. O wa memon. Me Ugo. Iso boy you do that. You know if he kill me. You know why? God where I never offend is where them bomb me dey my back. You know if he kill me. Igba kwa kin ede ni awu ihan. We no man agbon ti gbe mo. O we your gbera no ri pepe. Una hear me? So have a Facebook or whatever or all those one gbogbo nu wa oni wala wa continue. Wa mami agani si vedo. Ma we nogi. Wa mami agani ma si vedo. Eba 1 point something million view or more. Ya temu. Even ya make a name. So no me, no la wo, no subscribe. So do one ikpokpo mama onu wa kin okpo ma menu wa pokpo wa gbin aye oni kin okpo ma wa kin pikin wey dey side belle no go. If una see pregnant woman, you go front of pregnant woman, you say mama you no go. The pikin go shake for inside belle, go kick him mama. Yira na ma Udin ranama. I don't come out. I don't make name. Ugo. One come out from nowhere, they say this and that, they bully me. You are bullying me for success. You are taking me to a higher grade. I move. Nothing say you dey spoil my name, say people come dey run for me. No, who want run for me, may run for me. Me ma like ugwe ya zokan no keme. If you want to run, say they say we'll go this one, we'll go that one, we'll go where they talk for social media, we'll go no, you don't concern me. That is none of my business. I move. Where they think, where they go. Now they think. Person where they control about 30, not be children, adults. It's not easy. Abu wa ma begging ya. It's not easy. Presido. Ugbeso igbina de fo ave jan presido. Gri ve tu le moire jan. Gri ve tu le moire jan. O ma easy. Okekere ni meme. What am I doing? I'm looking for how my members will become a star. I want them to learn something, to become a star. I want them to be a star. I want them to, when time comes, they will use it to make money. People will know them. Oh, let me one. I go run, follow this one, go run, follow here, go run, come here. Big. Abi wama watching ya bedonya yani whatever, all of the members in ya working. Oh, they are already start. Imaya vie, imaya ivate ma we ivatona. No, a members in ya hin. Onda me yi. This one want to learn. Oh mokba. Me ma mi ya focus yeni. Mi hiando ya mi ya focus the way me beg we ma like me or I beg we who hate me. To fuck, I don't fucking care of you or your hate. Keep your hate, my dear. Your hate not the put food for my table. Now your hate self, now you they use that yourself now they use that disturb because Rudu go where mi ya right. Egbe na otemege obvious anazi high. Name na gbona ma we gbe great superstar. No aye we gbe na o kin ave tough ise nu ka pe. Ose o kin aga pe enu pe nu gbe se. O we wo kan we ma gbon ma proko. Obege. O we wo kan we ma gbon. Wo kan we ma gbon ma proko. So we are where me married to we wa muriga we me we awado ya. I don't fucking care. I don't know. I move. Again mama ya marry bossy memi. Again mama marry guessy memi. All of them they look up to me to teach them. If mama ya teaching me ya begu we hate me. I don't know. I don't see you whether you hate me at all. The hate where you hate me, keep on for yourself. Now you and yourself, they disturb there. Me, I don't see you whether you hate me. Me, my do we exist. So, when you hate somebody, let see that person face to face and let that person know you hate him or you hate her. Then, maybe the person can't feel and say, oh, this guy, you hate me. Now, if you want to say the person don't know you at all. You know they see you at all. You know, don't know you don't know whether you be exist, whether you be better person, whether you be person self. Then you say you hate him. You only hate yourself, my dear. You only hate yourself. Not be me you hate. You hate yourself. Who don't know person, not the narrate person. Who know person, not if you talk about person. So, I love you all. If you want to make large progress, don't hate someone. No hate person. Don't have evil grudges, evil mind against someone. You will see God will do yours. Agbonana do me wo no ro word oga we mi oga challenge ko nero word. Oga we mi gine nero word. Nero word take ke no we mi ginu weru da we so ine. But we no ro word do we mi gine nero word. Otagie ema bagbona. Agio manama he ema. Ahito manama he ema. I mean evil thing, evil grudge, evil mind, evil something lele or manama he ema. So when we gbe mi very oni, you will never meet up. Now where me or meet up is no wo mami. So only no wo mami ni we meet up. Now where ni or meet up is mwe no nya gwe kan so wo bona mu we no we mi nu ya gbo give away wa we no wa believe we give we our total vi boko akara no we gele wa gbe yen wa So, my dear, Oboga one. And when they go around there, can say, Atie ogege ne bio. Iwe titi kwa wakoro. Ya wa titi ne bio agbon ri heme. Oba we bori yema, yime a o. So when ka yebe tamuwa, de tu ogu mweni me ari ogo bo. Ugu yaja ye pata vizi gaboni agbe me wa o. My dear, you are only wasting your time. You can't kill me. When ka yebe ta igba hwan hin. E deni an wu yon. We no ma bi meti gbe mo. Stop wasting your time. Yes. Me o mo no bi weirdo. Ne do hiana bi vie. So, I don't expect you to greet me. I don't want you to wear a boy, you respect me or whatever. No. You respect in avi vi me viome, avi me basi, me avi vi me kini o teme ke ya fefe viome. I'm okay with that. Not the one we had to view on me or to we had to twin any. No. So you can't hate me when I don't do anything to you. If you want to hate me, come close to me first. Know the kind of person I am before you hate me. Not that to mind the heme who want to hate him. No. Why you hate someone who am. Before you hate somebody, close to that person first. If you can close to that person, you see say your hate where you hate person, where you hate that person before, or where you hate that person are useless. Am I right? So, do wa ugo. Odogo akataka. Don't hate someone. Love who love you. Love everybody. See, if you want to make progress, when you carry retire, don't hate. Don't hate anybody. Don't have evil against anybody. Let people have evil against you. Let people hate you. You don't hate people. Don't hate anyone. You will see God will favor you. God will enlarge your business. He will enlarge whatever you are doing. God will open it for you. Your road will be smooth. Your work will be coming smoothly. You will be making large progress from what you are doing. But if you hate and you have evil against your fellow, you can never make it. Because people where they use evil follow person, not the better rich people where they use evil follow. Now they hear me. Oma no gbovo ma won no pokpo ma. E ma so ma na pokpo. E ma mi ode. So we gbe mi veri yo, we pokpo ma. Gi oma pokpo we. Oma no pokpo we ni. E ma se we. Me he ti pokpo ni me ma se ni a. Oh, because me gbera yen ne, gbera ba ne be hinga pokpo e ba. Oh. So, we gioma no ma se we ga pokpo e. We ge pokpo ma. Ruda tu we ma so yin na pokpo we. Oko no ri ni we ari ogo bo egba e work. It will never work when you are pure in heart. Ezogege badima. God will lift you forward. God will lift you high. So as I said, I am the Lord. That guy with the hide number, they call me. You want to talk to your fellow man, you the hide number, they call your fellow man. You are a madman. Me who go, Lord who go. I know they hide number, they call person. I they call person verbally, everywhere. So, obegena where You dey fear me. Now make you hide number, they call me. You fear me, now make you hide number, call me. So for that simple reason, I'm your Lord. So I am the Lord. You understand? Lord Ugo. Odogo akataka. Animal wey not the fear lion. Una dey understand me? If you reach here now, Ugo. Hey, if you reach here now, epadomo lamogun. If you reach here, epadomo lamogun. If you reach here, epadomo lamogun. If you reach here, lamogun. Lamogun ni anatwi me na ogo obungbe osene. I am the top. I am the Lord. So nu we aya agbov women ugbo me adi do ma wode. O ma me mi udu alele me mo tripod. Do agume de camera, do agume rek battery camera. Ema batola to ma be su obo. Nu we aya ri pale me va bul, nu aya ri palo we va bule va pack picture picture maladian. O ma mi udu akpe me go do akpe go be me go lele me be kocho. Do akpe go lele me bi agbe kocho. Odo arabe props lele me bi a shoot a film. Ugo me a de trapot yi odo murupa. Uma me bi udo awon pa lele me. E be pay we. We no ma say one quarter be boss ni mind winner. We had do a bully me be Facebook do amu a picture me ladian. You are a mad man. I was work man we call him do I did not bad call him ogi on ba fa na. Na we ogi ni ka o you see. I we di my beg Facebook. A matured man we am a voice of yourself. Ukba we anya we no one wa na hin. Matured man. No wazu oni. Nezu o wari be wa gidi. Bestie. You know why I become Lord? I don't suffer. Iriojane. Iboli koya even agboloe. So for that, we etik be man, one etik be man. Diawu, okbeni buwuku. Iboloja ene, iriojane bina ene. So when you am winning, area lift up, area lift up forward. The one that discover talent in England. I suffered. He suffered when Agile suffer. He served masters. He with guy Kason Kavan. He yoja eboli koya. So for that reason, you know if you take my name, go native daughter. He here. He zozol. He kbe molokun. He here. He here murukba. To survive. Well, na do ladian from no we go do gbovo. Do akpokpo. He your goma dia we na yo. So my dear, we tik gbe me my dear. Owo yo gbera no ri pepe. Owo no gbe me he irane. E de disturb egbo. Wa try owo awu. As you dey plan say you want kill go, your pikin go die. Gbem. As you dey reach where native daughter dey like this, another of your pikin go still die. Gbem. As the native daughter dey start the something wey dem want to do am, your pikin go still die again. Except maybe na 3 pikin you get, that 3 go first die first. You come remember your papa and your mama. Then when the native daughter go dey knack the something, the aban, your mama go dey die. Dead body will come full your house before me will go come die. You hear? So you must lose 5 to get me dead. If you want me to die, I ready to die while I'm not there. 5 now you go lose. You make sure that 5 go make sure see you lose before I go die. Yeah? wa boss wa boy fie kun le lu wa wan ba wan bi rian ava siniri nu wa kayorion wa ya kayorion e wana we mi dan do o ma dan hin yemi no lele me the people are following me. I respect people. Wara mi me face to face. Wana mi me face to face. Igwan. Emaniwe mi me face to face ya vi hamuwa. Iyeti gwa magwan. Iwa chota ogyo gie iwa temo gie fine. Veni waje ni ri waje. Mado avan vi social media mari mahin. And me me van vi social media de. So, Edeni so why we say, I love you guys. Em na gbon ama wa gbe o. Wa mi dobo, wa mi gbe, wa mi mu. Wa ni buloma. Wa ya fe. Wa mi re yari oho. Wa continue a bully man. As una dey bully, we will make am. We will spring up. I obey from Victor na do whatever here. O se if no say any from Victor na to hun wa na hin. Avie ma me rescue obey buwa obey from Victor. I wa call from Victor ma be na see aye bia hin. Rudu wa nu hun dana. Obey from Victor e do wa de. O do wa de. Wa ma emi. So wala wo mayosa lo bo ayin mi wala o wa gi ma we mi gbe ma aga we mi gbe emi ya fe ni magwa lore e ya ma get e wa hon benu wa do ya watch me na wa na be ri o meta yi keniri o meta ti me ni ma he me ni wi ya heti me wa ya fe wa wesi ekpon me ka bo akpon mo wa wa la wo eyo sa lo bo yin mi wa la wa fie ko ewiri e wa dolu yin meji so wa na ni wa do ge me na ni ri ho meta yi na em na gbon ama wa gbe o em no wari o bo yi e ya dino de no ma nu wa o wa mi dobo wa mi gbe wa mi mu em no ri do wa ori ya fe ti yen nu ira o enu wa o wa yokpa wo ri ma wa ye va wo ri ma na ye mo eji ne re ba wa o re o avi ya ne ni wi ya re ya mu ne mala jan be ne mi o whatever yan re hon wa ya ba o re o wa yokpa o ra ma wa ye va ra o de na gbe su wa e de na mu amusu wa e de na ga mi tara ga su wa bo o ha o wa to ga jo pe ga jo hu ga jo ne hu ga jo ma no fu wa amu ai musu wa o da wa na mi loko da o na mi emu wa o e ya fe ni mo ro ma no ho mama nerun wo wu wa no ro ni mo wu wa no ho mama nerun o ni be mo wu wa no ma tem na gbon ga ma egbe ne mo to mo ga yo so bono ma o no ma be mo to do ga so bono ma no ma be ri okwu to kwu ga so bono ma o no ma be bie to ga bie ga munya gbe o no ha ma bo to ga bie o ga bie bo ge hen den o ga bie ri munya gbe o ga bie bo gogogo o ga bie mi okwu operation be gbe o ri bie we no kwu gele ya bie no ha ma bo ọmọ no bie ni okin aga bie okin ave bie ba o bodan be gu e mo o ga bie bo ge no ma eni ka o ga gbe oru e ke ko mo no bie ka pa no re ko e na gbon ga ma wa gbe o wa ga ma wa gbon no be re we bu na be me be e be to ga so bono ma o bi are we bo me be ti bi ga so bono ma okure we bo to ga se e me be to bi ga so bono ma o Komo bia komo we. Ya no hiro e wona ya fefefe. Tem na gbon ama ya gbe o. Wa yokba wori ma, wa yeva wori ma. Wa mi dobo. Negbe mara tegbe gara e wori no ma. Negbe mara osalobo anu dazi enika o gbegbegbe. Iyen nu iya fefefe. No hiro te donine. No la wowo no ya ri obo kan. Negbe mara egbe gido ran egbe ran woge no ma. Ogie na agbon gie e. Ori dokin ogogo ne. Agbon ya ni gie odokin na miewe. O to tinye e ni gie hen na igari e ba yo. Agbon ma khikan. Agbon ma o khikan anati e ogege. Agati wa ogege ne bi o. Oba atokpe e. Ise. So wane dion ni jare ge amomaniri ave social media. Wa continue. Wenu wa ya we ri ya progress. Uwei. Ogbiran ori pekpe. Ewu. Igba kun ehin. Edeni awu ihon. We no bia bi me ti gbe mo. Lalai. So, wagau, egbu wawau, menu go wow. The more you are narrating me, you are spelling my name, the more I am fresh in Wagimena. Go este niro, bege, okbefu. Wamion, este niro, okbefu. Wabege ya. Wabege ya. Wamion. Wabege ya. Este niro. Venu wagri meneri waje. Iye sion. No stain. Wamion. Venu wagri mena. Vo tokenkan. Iri waje. Iwa ye sion. Este ni okparo. Ma understand it, So. Venu waya dia meniwa. Venu waya bully me with social media. Venu wa onu waya mumeni ria mu wa onu waya adu ekinoru wa bo. Iya shan. Wa ria meni waya shan. Venu ya mieme be no ya mieme ba hwe. As you dey spoil my name, that's why I dey shine. So maybe when you're spoiling my name, not get what you take for my body. Every day now I dey see people where they serve me. So you where they spoil my name, not get who they serve you. You still be slave for person. See, I am the Lord. More the Lord. So you where they narrate me for social media, they spoil my name, they put my picture, they tag my picture for different angles, they use and spoil my name. You are still a slave. We will be Lord, not the see chance till they do that one. So me where you the bully, I am the God. I am the Lord. Because people they Lord me. Yes. Epadomo lamogun avigo auto. Epadomo lamogun avigo auto. Epadomo lamogun avigo auto. So my beggar ni we no bully me ogwomo di oma we hin megiro ogwomo di oma. Uwe ye gbe paipa le lo mo we ye gbe sasa le lo mo. Me ta gbe sasa le li me, agbe paipa le li me. So I am the Lord. Person where they control crowd. They control by 30 something. Lord in here. See, blessed that entertainment. I get one from Munich here. They are 30 something. Let me say 36 now. A bit no Evado de Baredo 39. Now. 39 now. Blessed that entertainment. I still get branch. Blessed that entertainment. Now me be blessing. Who go not be my name. My real name na blessing. Now me be blessed heart. Now me found them. I still get one for Asen. Those one they be 20. Yes, 20 now. Now they don't be now. I still get branch for Asen. How many that? 2. I get one for Italy. Blessed that entertainment. Na my own. Na my junior brother na dey operate that one. Na me still get am. My name na dey am. Blessed that entertainment. Na me be blessing. Na dey see am. So na do I greet una. So beg a kinina Lord. Mama ni Lord many. Or who we may expect. You hear me? Well, understand ya. So my dear, when no bull money, you people, you still they do salsa follow people. You are still a boy to people. Me, and me be the Lord. Ari gbe salsa lele me. Ari Lordy me, I Lordy lele me. Why? Now waiting I learn. Now waiting God teach me. I learn am. See I see my hand, it clean. Now this my hand I take learn waiting I take the waiting I dey teach people where the Lord me. So for that simple reason, I am the Lord. Stop bullying person you don't know. You know, guy you bully me go reach 100 years. Bully me go reach anyhow. Talk with you not supposed to talk about me. People are still following me. Who know me too well go let you they know say I lie you talk. I love you guys. So make I educate you on one thing now. Say person where they disturb person, where they bully person, or where they carry person name matter, they go native not the good rich person where they jealous. So oman okpokpoma mama say na kpokpo. So as en okpokpoma ma soma na kpokpo. Ma say ni kpokpo. We need to come mowa. Veni meje iga mase we yet kpokpo because in when I marry move way forward na de ni aye degbe na ye mase we ye gwalo. So me ado kpokpo we me degbe si gbi me yeke. Wa em ni kaya. So oma no kpokpo ma masoma. Shoti thank you. General Koduwa Ugo, Odogu, Okalamo, Odogu Akataka, animal we not the fear lion. Yegu wagbe, wahon,